Hi, this is Bill Rose with Lung Trainers Breathing Performance Devices. What we're talking about today is our lineup of the individual breathing assistants, or what we call them, IBAs. The IBAs all function in the same way, but they have different mouthpieces. Sometimes you'll see a different airflow system, as in holes, more or less airflow, but they all have the balloon ring at the end. They're pretty easy to put together. If you take your balloon, take your finger and put it on the edge of the balloon ring and just wrap it right around, you have the IBA. It's fully assembled. The balloon is calibrated at 0.5 PSI. That means it's going to give you just enough pressure to make sure you're using perfect diaphragmatic breathing. On the other end is your mouthpiece. There are mouthpieces for every level and every instrument. When you are going to work with the individual breathing assistant, you're basically just going to press it against your lips. But to make sure you're using it correctly, the balloon must be inflated. Some people, they just blow into it, the balloon goes out a little bit. That is not diaphragmatic breathing. The only way you're going to get your diaphragmatic breathing is to inflate the balloon where it actually opens, and you'll feel it. You know exactly when you're using your diaphragm. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to put all my holes down, and I'm going to open the balloon. It's that simple. When you pick your fingers up, you're going to release air. When you release the air, you've got to replace the air through your core system or your diaphragm. That's going to make you work a little harder, but it's also going to make you more successful. This is the S+. It's for flutes, percussion, and voice.